And for me, the thing about this house, which is so powerful, is this collection of components that are brought together as industrial fabrication, which, has not really been done before in the same way. So he replaces the traditional walls with refrigeration insulation panels. And then to enter the house, he uses a system from buses where he creates these prefabricated doors in this very beautiful stainless system, which is then plugged into the building.
Almost expressing the manufacturing
in
order.
Absolute honesty everywhere. You see the cargo written on the steels.
Yeah.
You see the aluminium. Nothing is hidden. Yeah. Everything is there so you can understand how it's constructed.